Drink this shake, shred the belly fat, supercharge your metabolism. The fitness industry has spent decades marketing high protein intake as an automatic trigger for melting away unwanted weight. But to understand what protein actually does, we have to look at the baseline biological reality. Your metabolism is the background process of your body converting food into usable energy, powering everything from your heartbeat to your evening walk. Fat oxidation, the actual breakdown of stored fat, is governed by a strict rule. It only happens when your body is forced into a calorie deficit, requiring more energy than it is currently getting from your food. If fat loss requires consuming less energy, it seems contradictory that eating more of a specific nutrient would somehow lead to a leaner body. The truth is, protein does not directly burn fat. Instead, it acts as a physiological tool, creating the indirect conditions necessary for your body to navigate a calorie deficit effectively. The first condition protein creates starts with the physical act of digestion. Processing food is a mechanical task, meaning your body has to spend energy just to break down what you've eaten. This is the thermic effect. As this chart shows, protein demands a significantly higher amount of energy to break down and process compared to carbohydrates or dietary fats. While this effect is measurable, it's important to keep it in perspective. It provides a modest increase in daily calorie expenditure, rather than acting as a massive multiplier. Eating protein gives you a slight edge on the calories out side of the equation, but it isn't a powerful enough driver to cause fat loss by itself. The second mechanism moves from the stomach to the bloodstream. Once consumed, protein plays a central role regulating hormones that signal hunger to your brain. This hormonal regulation promotes a sense of fullness that lasts. Unlike the rapid energy spike and crash from refined carbohydrates, protein helps keep those signals stable over several hours. Protein isn't magically melting fat cells. It influences your brain to make maintaining an energy deficit a much easier task. In a calorie deficit, the body burns both fat and lean muscle, but muscle requires constant energy. Losing it slows resting metabolism, stalling calorie burn. Protein acts as a shield, preserving muscle tissue so your body is forced to burn fat deposits instead. By protecting your muscle mass, protein helps prevent the drop in metabolic rate that often accompanies weight loss, keeping your body's energy expenditure more efficient over time. However, protein cannot manage your body composition in a vacuum. It requires an external trigger to tell it where to go. While aerobic cardio increases your total daily burn, strength training provides the vital biological signal. It tells your body that your muscle mass is necessary, directing protein to repair and maintain those tissues. Your internal environment also plays a role. Poor gut health or a lack of dietary fiber can disrupt your digestion, preventing you from fully absorbing the nutrients you consume. Factors like chronic stress and poor sleep can further derail the process. They disrupt hunger hormones and can encourage the body to store fat around the abdomen, regardless of your protein intake. This is why isolated tools, like intermittent fasting or fat burner supplements, rarely produce lasting results if these foundational lifestyle factors are missing. Ultimately, this biological complexity is why the bathroom scale is often misleading. Raw weight cannot distinguish between the loss of harmful fat and the loss of beneficial, metabolically active muscle. Monitoring changes in waist circumference or the reduction of visceral fat provides a much clearer window into your actual metabolic progress. Protein is not a standalone magic trick. It is a supportive piece of a larger system, one built on whole foods, consistent movement, and the habits that allow your body